Welcome to our channel and please subscribe us and press the bell icon for all latest updates.
Students, welcome back to my channel GBDAV Math Tutorial. Solving the problems of worksheet number 2. At first we have to know the formula that how we can break percentage. Okay. To break percentage of anything is whom to break divided by 100 into total quantity. We will use the formula to solve the problem. And the problem is find the amount of 6% more than rupees 120. Here the total quantity is 120 and we have to break the percentage 6%. The amount 6% equal to, we will use the formula. The formula is to break percentage of anything equal to whom to break, we have to break 6 divided by 100 into total quantity, that is 120. So 0 0 3 5. 35 5 1.0. After breaking 6% we will get as 7.2. Okay, we have to find the amount more than the language, the term more than 120 means we have to add 7.2 with 120. So the required result, that is the amount 6% more than rupees 120 is 120 plus 7.2, that is 127. Amount is 15% less than rupees 400. So here the total quantity is rupees 400 and we have to break the percentage 15%. Then the amount 15% equal to 15, using the formula 15 by total quantity, sorry, 15 by 100 into total quantity, that is 400, so 0 equal to 60 rupees 60. So after breaking the percentage 15%, we get rupees 60. Now here we mentioned that the amount 15% less than rupees 400. So we have to subtract 60 from 400 to get the required result. Then the answer will be 400 minus 60 equal to 0 4 3, that is rupees 340. So we have the required answer as rupees 340. Here we can see that the monthly salary of Mohan is rupees 950. So the monthly salary of Mohan is rupees 950. If his salary increased by 6%, find his new salary. The problem is simple, so we have to just break the percentage of 6%. Okay. Monthly salary of Mohan equal to 950 rupees 950. Now we have to break the increasing of his salary. Increased salary 6%. Just we have to break 6%. So 6, using the formula we get 6 by 100 into total quantity, that is 950. 0 0 cancelled, 5 1 9 2 3 9 19 is 57. So we have get the result 57. The increased salary is 6%, means rupees 57 respect to 950. Okay, so the monthly salary increased equal to 6%, means rupees 57. So here we can see that monthly salary of Mohan is rupees 950 and increased salary is 6%, that is rupees 57. New salary of Mohan will be salary plus increased is 57, that is rupees 70 1007. So the new salary of Mohan will be 1007. The problem tells that a dealer buys an old car for rupees 80,000 and he repairs and sells it at an increase of 10%. What is the selling price of the car? So at first, here the problem is too simple. Okay, students, just we have to break the percentage of 10% and should be added with 80,000 to make the new price, yani selling price of the car. Okay, using of the car is 10%. So simply we have to break the percentage. So 10, here the total amount is 80,000. So we have to multiply with 80,000 and divided by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 equal to rupees 8,000. So buying price of the car is rupees 80,000. After repairing, he sells at an increasing 10%. After breaking 10%, we have got 80 rupees 8,000. So after increasing, the selling price will be equal to selling price equal to 80,000 plus increasing rupees 8,000, that is 8,000. So the selling price of the car will be rupees 88,000. Here the problem is that the monthly consumption of milk in a family is 120 liters. If due to festival the consumption of milk increased by 20%, find the percentage of consumption of milk by the family in a particular month is 120 liters. Okay. Increasing of what consumption? Increasing of consumption equal to 20%. That is, we should break the percentage. 20 divided by 100 and here the total quantity 120. So 0 0 0 24 liter. So the increasing of consumption of that particular family is 20%, that is 24 liter. So new consumption 24 liter, that is 144 liters. The problem tells that we have to find the percentage of the consumption. So the new consumption is 144 liter. So we have to make percentage of 144 liters in respect to 120 liters. That is 144 divided by total quantity 120 into 100. Four five is 0, 24 5 is 20, 0, 5 to the 10. The new consumption of milk by the family will be 120%. Problem tells that the cost of a sari was rupees 500. If the shopkeeper allows a discount of rupees 20%, so discount of the sari was 20% on what? So the question is, what is the cost of sari after discount? Okay, a sari was rupees 500, discount, and the discount 20%, that is 20 by 100 into total value of the sari, that is rupees 500, 0, 0, that is rupees 100. So the total discount 20% means rupees 100. Here the question is, what is the cost of sari after discount? So after discount, cost price of the sari will be rupees 500 minus, here we have get a discount of rupees 100, so we have to subtract from the old value, that is 400 rupees, 400. So after discount, the cost of the sari will be rupees 400. So students, just we have completed the problems from worksheet number 2. Bye students, keep watching my channel. Bye.